The token of justice, BRX. They say justice is blind, but in today's world, even justice has a price tag. Hidden fees, unequal systems, and institutions built to favor the few. For too long, fairness has been out of reach, until now. Introducing BRX, the token of justice. Not just currency, but a living symbol of equality and transparency. With BRX, there are no gatekeepers, no secret hands controlling your future. Every transaction is open, every reward is fair, and every member has a voice. This is real governance. Decisions made by the community for the community. A system where every vote counts, not just the loudest or the richest. Because BRX isn't about speculation. It's about restoration. Restoring balance in a system that forgot the meaning of fairness. Fair rewards, transparency, equality. These are the three pillars that define the new financial era, the era of BRX. When wealth circulates fairly, growth becomes possible for everyone. From students to creators, from farmers to developers, BRX gives back what the system once took. This isn't just blockchain technology. It's a revolution of trust. A new economy where the community leads and corruption fades. The token of justice, BRX. Not just money, a movement, a reminder that fairness is power and transparency is freedom. BRX stands for you. Stand for BRX. Like if you believe justice should belong